Hi. You're cute. You're cute.
Going fishing. You ready to go fishing, Mike? We're gonna catch some fish. We should put the bait out on the seat so it thaws out.
Well, it's Iowa. Cocoa Beach. Well, we stayed in Orlando for a few days and then we came to Cocoa Beach.
Got away from the concrete jungle for a little bit.
Yeah.
Theme parks.
Yeah, we did the Disney World yesterday, actually. That was
kind of hectic.
a long day.
I can't. Just bring it in.
Just bring it in. Just bring it in.
Gianna caught a fish.
Robin fishing. Robin
I've never
fishing.
caught a fish before.
Robin. And this is my daughter. She's a little weird. She's having an allergy to the sun. The sun has made her allergic. Got one that time, right? I'm still zooming in. There we go.
Not him.
All right, Brittany, you got it. You gonna touch it? You gonna touch the fish?
Ooh, ooh. Show me how to.
Now
Oh,
we
I
gotta.
feel so bad for him.
We got another one over here.
Like I said, it's a hybrid of two different types of fish. Look at this mouth, it's weird.
I caught a hybrid. Let it be known. I don't know, but
Just like you, Robin.
yeah,
Mixture of two different
Come on,
fish.
the same fish, you know. The same fish over.
Sun poisoning?
Yes.
They dock boats there? I don't know. What
Yeah,
purpose?
they were tie-offs for barges.
Ah, okay. I was close then. I enjoyed this, Mike. Good choice. We definitely caught fish.
That was pretty cool.
My name's Adam. I'm going to be your guide out here. As far as swimming goes, you can swim around the island, but it's going to be pretty hard on your feet around this area. Out this way is the sandy bottom all the way out. You can walk right out to that wake zone slide in about ankle deep water.
We're at Florida's Seafood Bar and Grill here at Cocoa Beach, and I like the way the building looks, but so far not real impressed. We had the volcano appetizer, and it was kind of stringy and really fishy.
No, these people came in purposely.
We had the shark bait drink, and that was rather disgusting. And the waitress is efficient.
Oh yeah.
But not friendly in any way, shape, or form. It makes you just cringe to even have to deal with it. So that's our impression so far. I got the garden salad, and it's very basic.
I got the crab leg and fried bread.
Tiana got a burger.
I like the flakiness and the meat, and then I really liked it. I thought the meat tastes delicious and sweet.
So T, how would you rate your hamburger? A 0?
Worst hamburger I've ever had. 7.5.
I would give it a 6.5, and I'd give the service a 2.
I'd give the service a big fat 0.
All right, so we're heading home. It's our last day. We're at the Alvin's Island. So we were gonna stay in Nashville, Tennessee tonight, but we just got a late start, so we're probably gonna drive all the way through, maybe. I don't know. Drive until we're tired and rent somewhere cheap. That's it. We're done. This vacation is over. Got everything loaded on the back on one of those racks and good to go. Robin fishing. Robin fishing.
I've never caught a fish before.
Robin. And this is my daughter. She's a little weird.